Medyo mas close, parang tin-frame. Hindi, oh. Wala pa, one pa.
Hi, I'm Renee,
I'm Rafa.
and we're here at CSA to have our pre-wedding glow treatment.
Actually, naghahanap kami before ng matatrust and mapagkakatiwalaan na matutulungan kami sa skin namin. So, I'm grateful na nakilala namin si Doc Contessa.
We're gonna be having our wedding next month, and we're really excited about this treatment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates.
Hi everyone, welcome to CSA. We are now with Rafa, the groom to be. Okay. So Rafa, how young are you again, Rafa?
I'm 29 po.
Wow, still young and getting ready for
Wedding.
a
Next
wedding.
month. March
Ayan.
13.
Advance congratulations. So we are here to do a procedure for Rafa to prepare him for his big event. And a while ago, I was doing an assessment on his face, and we have checked the lower part of the face. Actually, for men, we wanted like a squarish face, although you are at the round shape face, right? So we want to do something to bring out the jawline. However, we only want a subtle one, a gentle one. It's still gonna be Rafa. Okay. And I was doing a treatment for Rafa before the skin, right? We had some concerns of acne, actually also allergies, right? And also like acne marks. So we've done procedures for Rafa, like some combination treatments to clear the acne and the acne marks. And there's a big improvement. So right now, it's gonna be an upgrade of a treatment, okay? And we will do something for the profile and the lower third of the face. Okay. So initially, what we did was to check on the so-called E. rickets line. This is the E. rickets line. So tip of the nose, lower lip, and I noticed that there is a lack of projection of the chin area. So we want this to be aligned. The tip of the nose, the lower lip, plus the chin apex. So we just wanted to improve the chin region and also jawline and a bit of like emphasizing the angle of the mandible. Ayun. Okay, Rafa. And then also, I'll do the follow-up treatment of skin quality improvement using our device called the Bella Pro with our exosome solution. So I'll start with doing the chin. Ready? That's a quick kind of like an analysis or an assessment. Okay, so I'll use the hyaluronic substance. So I'll be projecting this part here. Okay, a while ago we put a numbing cream. We left it for an hour. So everything is numb. So I'll work on the center here, the apex. So it's actually already the bone. So we really need to do some projection. I'll inject a little bit here, like a 0.25, just a small amount first. And then we'll follow up with the 0.25 on the sides. We still want to maintain that square chin for Rafa. Okay. Okay lang, Rafa? Normal to feel some pressure there or some form of heaviness. And then I'll inject on the sides here. Ayun, bone na kaagad, Rafa. So, you see yung skin mo sa chin, there's dimpling. We call this peau d'orange. O yan. Parang napupull yung skin inwards. The mentalis muscle is pulling the skin inwards. Yan. Then other one here. So I'll be using like 2 ml of the hyaluronic substance to really give that volume at the same time projection and maintaining that masculine chin. Okay? Actually, ang chin ngayon, Rafa, is pang ano na yan eh. Make you more looking confident. You have a very beautiful nose. Ayan. Maganda ilong. Okay. So I'll go back to the midline here. And then we'll also do the anterior projection. So I work on the apex of the chin. Then after that, we'll proceed with the next ml. So that was just 1 ml. So for the 1 ml, I'll be injecting into the anterior part. This is just to project. So you can inject like 0.3 to 0.5 of this part here to restore that projection and that volume. It's normal, Rafa, parang heavy. Okay, that's a normal sensation. So I'm starting with the 0.4 here. Then after that, I'll go to the other side. So I'm just following some lines there. So still maintaining that kind of a masculine type. Okay. So this one is hyaluronic. It attracts water. You have to drink a lot of water after
Mm.
this. So it will further expand inside and give you more projection. Okay? Then normal lang parang may pressure or form of heaviness. That's part of the treatment effect. Okay? So checking on it. And I'll go at the center. Okay? So I notice yung muscle mo is contracting that much. So usually I also do combination treatment here. I do also both the needle method and the cannula method. But for now, we'll just start with this needle method. Anyway, may follow-up naman to, Rafa. Okay, so after doing the chin, let's work a bit on the jawline area. What I'm gonna do now is the so-called socle jaw threads. Okay, the angle of the mandible will use some of our so-called jawline threads. Okay, this is just a lidocaine. I'll inject into this part here, and then just following the line, and then another one here. Sorry, okay. Kaya natin yan. Okay. It's a masculine treatment for Rafa here. Another one. So, lidocaine here. It's like it's gonna be an L shape here, but I'm gonna add a transverse cog thread on the upper part, and then another injection here to numb further the entry point. So, I'll make a puncture of the entry point, and then use my first cog. So, this is a 60 millimeter length cog. Okay. So, kayang-kaya namin. So, just following the mandibular line. So, it's just subcutaneous layer. Then, after that, I use the second one. I'll use the same entry point here. Same entry point. And then straighten it like a vertical approach, reverse method. Then, we'll just cut this. Okay. And then the last one is on the others, like the upper part, the mid area. Okay. So, entry point here. Okay. So, last na lang to dito sa right side. And we will do the opposite side. Okay? You're good? Okay. Kayang-kaya. So, we'll just direct it towards the alar part. So, it's just a one line here. Actually, may acne scar, kaya medyo may resistance. That's normal. Okay? And I'm doing a semi-subcision also. And then we'll cut. Ayan. Okay. So, let's do the other side. So, we'll proceed with the so-called Bella Pro micro needling device, and it has solutions here, a 3 ccc range. It has those rejuvenating exosomes. They contain some forms of molecules that will help rejuvenate the skin, plus also tighten skin pores, and also target the pimple marks, and also improve the overall skin quality. Okay, we'll start na. Rafa, okay. And this is your second session, right?
Yes, Doc.
Yan, okay. So, sa lower part muna tayo. So, it has these several micro pins, like 9 micro needles already. And then, they deliver those exosome solutions into the dermis of the skin. Actually, the dermis is the layer where we want to do a so-called dermal remodeling, dermal repair, dermal restructuring, dermal architectural remodeling, lahat na. Okay? Because the acne marks kasi, actually, they became like dented or atrophic scars because they reach the dermis layer. Nagkaroon ng damage sa dermis natin. So, we want to kind of do a dermal restructuring, dermal repair. So, we need to reach that layer so that the treatment will be very effective. Pero, di ba, Rafa, when you had the first treatment, after that, na-notice mo na yung improvement, right? Kasi, oo, I know these are so atrophic before eh. Right now, elevated na sila eh. It was so obvious in the past, I was seeing lalo na this side, this right side mo, I was seeing those atrophic marks or yung dented scars, yung nakadepress na mga scars. So this is just the second session and we've seen a big improvement. So palagay mo mga ilang percent ng improvement from the first treatment?
Malaki na improvement.
Malaki. You think may 50%?
Opo.
Yeah. That's nice, right? So some of my patients, they only like do 3 sessions of this and they're good already. Ayun. So we're doing the right side. Plus, open pores or large pores, we can manage with this one. And then this treatment, you can do once a month. And this is a good pre-treatment since in a month na ba yung event mo, wedding?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
1 month.
Yeah. So it's giving us like time for skin recovery. So usually the skin recovers in like some of my patients 1 week okay na sila eh. Others like 2 weeks. So it will depend also on the case and the type of skin that we have. So I'm going to the forehead area. So forehead mo naman, it's just clear, well improved. Yan. Plus you had also oral medications, remember, to control your acne.
Yes.
You were taking isotretinoin. That's the ultimate medicine for those acne vulgaris that are particularly severe ones. Kasi you were having those severe type na ng acne, right? Nagkaroon ka pa ng cystic acne, di ba? So, really a big improvement already. So, when we're managing acne and acne marks, so it's not just like a one treatment only. Well, it needs time. We need to have sessions for this kind of skin problem. And especially, Rafa has a sensitive skin. So, remember, no? You're having allergies around eye area, around mouth area. So, better na, no? Last time, you showed me the thickened lesions na eh. May mga flakes, right? Nagsusugat-sugat na, no? And it was really, the eye area, napaka-red. Right now, praise God, it's gone. It's improved, okay? So we're going to proceed to the left side of the face. Then after we've done this, we'll also further infuse with our exosomes and even another solutions or skin boosters, okay? So we'll just finish with the opposite side.
Sabi ka naman, oo nga kuya, ang baby pa nga niya. Sabi ko,
And we are with the bride, Renee. Hi, Renee. So we had done the so-called bridal glow facial. How was it, Renee?
Good.
It was good, relaxing. So that kind of facial is hydrating. At the same time, it infuses micronutrients and it will really improve the skin condition and the skin quality. Right now, we're further doing something that's gonna make your skin glow during your big event. So we have a treatment here called the Hollywood Spectra Laser. So it will also improve further the quality of the skin. It will close the pores and also brighten the skin and bring out that skin glow and luminosity. Exciting? Right? So we have the so-called carbon gel. We left it for about 15 minutes. So the goal is for the carbon to kind of adhere to the surface layer, the dead cell layer, and we want to exfoliate that. And then there's also like a part 2 of this whereby the oil glands will just contract and further close the pores, and then overall skin quality improve. So there's a sensation na parang tiny prickly heat, right? Kaya naman, no? So this is to have the carbon gel adhere to the dead cell layer so that in the step 2, we are like doing an exfoliation treatment. Okay. So we will also give a so-called skin cell renewal and kind of resurface the younger cells. Yan, dito tayo sa upper lip. Ayan. Yung iba kasi ang sabi nila, sensation parang ticklish daw. What about you? Medyo lang. Okay lang, right? Na may init. So some are saying there's a warm sensation. Some are saying like there's a prickly feeling. And then the others naman wala lang. Which is normal, okay? So yun. So we'll do with the step 2. So with the step 2, we'll use the QPTP mode. And right now, the carbon lotion will be erased. Okay, so I'll start with the forehead again. Then, okay, yan. So this is a treatment best for our soon-to-be. Yan, mga getting married. Mga pang pre-wedding treatments. Especially if the wedding day is near already. Ilang weeks na lang, Rene? Oh, halos like 4 weeks, no? So, this is the best preparation. No downtime actually for this one, eh. You can party tonight. Yan, you can have an event tonight. Then, before your wedding day, actually, another treatment of this one will still be okay. So, we still have like a 1-month preparation. So, for our viewers planning to get married, if they're asking what will be like a clinic treatment that they can do before the big day, so this is one of those procedures that you can actually have done in before your wedding day. Yan. So, natatanggal na yung carbon lotion. And at the same time, dead cells are removed. Even like pigment lesions will be treated by this kind of Hollywood laser with carbon lotion and 3-step approach. We're actually in the second step. Yan. Parang may snap sensation lang, no? Wala lang. Wala lang. Yeah. It's not really painful actually. It's just the loud sound eh. Magiging the most beautiful woman that day.
Hello.
Hello.
We just finished our treatments and we enjoyed it.
Yes.
So for me, nakita ko agad yung results. I had facial and the Hollywood laser.
For me naman, actually, in-expect ko sobrang sakit niya. Yung natural na treatment. Pero, hindi naman pala siya ganun kasakit. And after nung treatment, sobrang nakita ko agad yung result nung nag-define agad yung chin and yung dito sa jaw. Sobrang. So we recommend taga CSA Medical Aesthetics.
Sa lahat ng gustong pumunta here at CSA, you can visit them here sa the shops at Infinity. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Brothers, sisters, ladies and gentlemen,